Welcome back to another edition of Ray's Arithmetic, and we are now in lesson number 20. 20 in the addition section of our primary book, and the Roman numeral there that you see for 20, see how it's XX, and we've learned by now that each one of those X's represents 10, and so in Roman numerals we add those together, so it's 10 and 10, and that makes 20. So there's an addition problem built into every Roman numeral, as we'll see. Okay, well, let's go ahead and do lesson 20. And that's going to be focusing on the number 10. That's what we're going to do a lot of practice problems with, is using the number 10. So here we go. You ready? All right, let's get started. So we're going to do some of our board problems here like we usually do, where we take our number that we're going to work with and we're going to start adding the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to it. And so 10 and 1 are going to be how many? 10 and 1 are 11, aren't they? And then reverse it, and you get 1 and 10. Is that going to be the same thing? That sure is. 1 and 10 are 11 as well. How about 10, 10 and 2? How many are 10 and 2? 10 and 2 are 12. And then 2 and 10 are also 12. Let's go ahead and do 10 and 3. How many are 10 and 3? 10 and 3 are 13. 3 and 10 are also 13. All right, let's keep going. 10 and 4 are how many? 10 and 4 are 14. How about 4 and 10? 4 and 10 are also 14. Let's do 10 and 5. 10 and 5 are 15. And so that means 5 and 10 are also 15. Easy, huh? Okay, how about 10 and 6? 10 and 6 are 16. 10, oh, let me back up a little bit. 6 and 10 are also 16. All right. Let's finish up on our next board. How about 10 and 7? 10 and 7 are 17. So 7 and 10 are 17. How about 10 and 8? 10 and 8 are 18. And so 8 and 10 are 18. All right, how about 10 and 9? 10 and 9 make 19. So 9 and 10, let me do that again. 9 and 10 also make 19. All right, one more. 10 and 10 make how many? 20. Just like we saw with our Roman numeral, huh? Okay, I think we're warmed up for some word problems. Let's go ahead and do those, shall we? All right. So let's do the first one. I'm in this one. It says, I paid 10 cents for ink and 2 cents for paper. How much did I pay for both? So I paid 10 cents for ink and I paid 2 cents for paper. So how much did I pay for both, the ink and the paper? Well, that's just a matter of 10 and 2, which are how many? 12. 12 cents is all I spent for those two things. All right. Such a bargain. All right, Mary gave $3 for a dress and $10 for a shawl. What did she give for both? But by the way, do you know what a shawl is? It's one of these knitted things or crocheted things that women wear around their shoulders. Usually it's the shape of a triangle, but it's a small piece of fabric. It can be pretty fancy or simple, and it's worn over the shoulders. That's a shawl. Anyway, Mary gave $3 for the dress and then $10 for that shawl. So how much did she give for both? For both, it's what, 3 and 10, which are $13. All right. Next, we've got 10 trees in one row and 4 in another. How many trees are in both rows? So picture a row of trees. We got 10 of them, 10 trees. So one row has 10 trees, and the next row has 4. So there's a row of trees that have 4 trees in it. How many are 10 and 4? 10 and 4 are 14. So 2 rows have altogether 14 trees. All right. Next one, we've got a pasture with 5 cows. And in another pasture, we've got 10 cows. So how many cows are in both pastures? Let's see, we got 5 cows. I don't think we'll do any cow noises this time. We did that a couple times already. We're not going to go moo, are we? Let's see, 5 cows in one pasture and then 10 cows in another. So how many cows in both pastures? 5 and 10 are 15. 15 cows, all right. A lot of cheese, a lot of milk, a lot of butter, a lot of beef, a lot of hamburgers, but we won't go there. Let's see. Our next problem says, I'm in this one again. I bought 10 yards of blue ribbon and 6 yards of white. How many yards of ribbon did I buy? So I bought 10 yards of blue ribbon and 6 yards of white ribbon. How many yards of ribbon altogether did I buy? Well, 10 and 6 will give us that answer, right? 10 and 6 are 16. Okay, let's continue our problems. There are 7 girls in one class and 10 in another. How many girls in both classes? So one class we've got 7 girls, and then in the other class we've got 10. So 7 and 10 are 17. Okay. I'm in another one? Wow. I received $10 for peaches and $8 for plums. How much in all? So I received $10 for peaches. I must have a fruit stand or something, and I'm out there selling peaches and plums. So like $10 for peaches, and then I got $8 for plums. $8 for plums. How much in all did I receive? Which is how many dollars? $10 and $8 are what? 10 and 8 are 18. $18 I made selling that fruit. Okay. Well, let's switch from fruit to nuts. Edwin found 9 nuts under one tree and 10 under another. How many nuts did he find? Well, Edwin found 9 nuts under one tree. That's kind of a tall 9, isn't it? 9 nuts under one tree and 10 nuts under another. So he's out hunting for nuts, lying on the ground. 9 and 10 are 19. 19 nuts, okay. Our last problem has Mary, who has 10 cents, and her mother gives her 10 cents more. How many did she have then? How many cents? So she had 10 cents to start with. Mary had 10 cents, and then her mother gave her 10 more cents. 10 and 10 are 20. So Mary ended up with 20 cents. Okay, that wasn't too hard, was it? 10s are kind of fun to work with. Well, our next lesson is going to be lesson 21, 22, and 23 actually are all going to be reviews. So the next 3 lessons will be review of all of our addition that we've been doing. So we'll get lots of good practice there before we head on to subtraction. So we'll see you then. In the meantime, go to our website, go to our YouTube channel, like the videos, subscribe to the channel, like what you see on the website, only if you do. In the meantime, we'll see you next time.